siya. Ayun. Another outstanding talent who displayed prowess in showing or showcasing yung kanyang talent abilities. You belong to the top 3. Please occupy the last spot because you have the chance for the talent presentation in the Coronation Night. Candidate number 14! Candidate number 14, back sa Malaga. Candidate number 14. We have candidate number 9, candidate number 7, and candidate number 14 who will showcase their talents in the Coronation Night sa Sunday. So they will vie for the title of Miss Talent. Okay? Congratulations, candidates. Sa ibang hindi nagwagi, congratulations friends. Dahil for sure, you have prepared na lahat para sa competition na ito. Okay, thank you everyone and good night. Thank you, candidates.